Let's tune in to the third part of our video series about things that I wish I knew before I got hair extensions. So let's go. The eighth factor is very important, and it is about time and the cost that extension can have. Knowing and planning properly helps you manage this process and this journey very well. Cost is very important to some people, and some people it is a little less important. If you are on a tight budget, especially, you need to know each method have their own maintenance time and longevity. If you are on very tight budget, it is much better to opt in for a temporary method like a halo, clip-on, or something that you can put on and take off and you don't wear them 24/7, showering with them and everything. So knowing and planning ahead, it's going to help you in this process tremendously. Some methods have maintenance time, like again with fusion, you get them once and then you remove them. In between, you get to cut your hair and get it trimmed up and cleaned up, but you don't have any maintenance or move up process. That's pretty much a one-time cost, and then you remove them. There's a time factor to that, and then you get new sets or you decide not to get them. With the beaded weft method, but most majority of the weft method, tape method, whether it would be a small tape, larger tape, you have a maintenance time of 6 to 8 weeks. So knowing that you can spend that time and the cost is crucial to your process. So definitely plan that out, refer out to the cost and ask your stylist about that. Be very transparent about it. Normally people who are true specialists on that, they can guide you. They can give you options and tell you, okay, you should go, you shouldn't go, and they can plan out. If even you're not a number person, put that in a spreadsheet, put that in a calculator. I am sure you will be very happy with this advice. And I wish most people would ask me that question more and more. I try to lay that out for them from the beginning. It's just sometimes if you don't know, it can come as such a huge cost to you, and it can be burdenish on you. I don't think it's the word, but definitely plan that out. The very last tip and thing that I wish I could tell everyone that is extension needs to be done by an extension specialist, not to a stylist, not even if they've been trained by the same company, same method. They are not the same. Everybody's different. Everybody's method is different, and finding the right stylist who is specialized in your hair type is crucial. Even if someone, an extension specialist, if they don't do fine thin hair, they don't know what to do with fine thin hair. You want to find someone who is familiar with multiple different methods. If you have textured hair, curly hair, wavy hair, make sure your stylist is fully familiar how to care for that hair or find the right texture and method for you. If you have thinning hair, if you have challenged hair, definitely finding the right stylist helps. There are a few tips that I would like to give you about finding the right stylist. I'm going to make another video on that one, but quickly. When you are vetting a stylist, don't just look at their own website. You want to cross-reference and check with multiple different platforms. Look up Yelp, look up Google. Don't just rely on Instagram. Read the reviews. A lot of times, read bad reviews. Not everybody gonna have like a star. I honestly actually question that. I always say I'm not Switzerland. I may not for everybody. I may not be for everybody. But if you go back in and read the reviews and you see consistency in bad reviews of a certain topic, you're always going to have some clients that they're just going to be pissed. or you're gonna have negative stylists. It doesn't matter. Do your research and look up and ask for pictures. And another part about finding a stylist is if you hear about someone, some people are not great at social media or being able to present themselves and market themselves. Or if your family member used them or your friend just used them, because your hair might be different than your friend or your family member. Your hair type might be different. So definitely find somebody who has the specialty that you need. I promise you I'm going to make another video about how to find a great stylist if you choose to opt in for extensions. These are all the things that I could think of. I wish I knew before I got my extensions, and I love to always tell the guests that come into my salon. Tell me about your experience. If there's something that I missed and your experience been something different, or if you have something that you think it would be an addition to this video, just let me know. Put the comment below for our community. I love to hear from you. If you have any questions, ask me that. And until next time, ciao and have a great day. And again, like and subscribe our channel. I love your support, and I will talk to you guys later in the next video.